Let's delve into more detailed information about each style of nails. 1. French tips. Description: French tips, also known as French manicure, feature a natural pink or nude base with white tips. The white tips are typically painted in a crescent shape at the free edge of the nail. Characteristics: timeless, elegant, and versatile. French tips create a clean, polished look suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Application: achieved by applying a base coat followed by a sheer or nude polish, then carefully painting the white tips using a thin brush or French manicure guides. Finally, seal with a top coat for added shine and durability. 2. Almond nails. Description: almond nails are characterized by their slender shape with rounded edges resembling the shape of an almond. Characteristics: feminine, elongating, and sophisticated. Almond nails give the illusion of longer fingers and are favored by those seeking a graceful and elegant nail style. Maintenance: requires regular filing to maintain the almond shape and prevent breakage. Length can vary from short to long depending on personal preference. 3. Square nails. Description: square nails have straight edges and a flat top, forming a square shape. Characteristics: bold, modern, and assertive. Square nails offer a sleek and edgy appearance, suitable for individuals who prefer a more dramatic nail style. Application: achieved by filing the nails straight across and then shaping the edges to create sharp corners. Regular maintenance is necessary to prevent chipping and maintain the square shape. 4. Round nails. Description: round nails feature curved edges and a semicircle shape. Characteristics: classic, natural, and versatile. Round nails complement most nail lengths and finger shapes, offering a soft and understated look. Maintenance: requires regular filing to maintain the rounded shape and prevent snagging, suitable for individuals with active lifestyles or those who prefer a low-maintenance nail style. 5. Oval nails. Description: oval nails are similar to almond nails but with a softer, more rounded shape. Characteristics: elegant, balanced, and flattering. Oval nails provide a harmonious blend of the almond and round shapes, enhancing the natural beauty of the hands. Maintenance: requires gentle filing to maintain the oval shape and prevent sharp edges. Ideal for individuals seeking a refined and timeless nail style. 6. Stiletto nails. Description: stiletto nails are long and pointed, resembling the shape of a stiletto heel. Characteristics: glamorous, daring, and attention-grabbing. Stiletto nails make a bold statement and are favored by those who embrace high-fashion trends. Application: achieved by filing the nails into a sharp point and refining the edges for a sleek finish. Regular maintenance is essential to prevent breakage and maintain the pointed shape. 7. Coffin ballerina nails. Description: coffin or ballerina nails are squared off at the tip and tapered towards the nail bed, creating a coffin-like shape. Characteristics: trendy, dramatic, and modern. Coffin nails offer a unique silhouette that elongates the fingers and adds a touch of sophistication. Application: achieved by filing the nails into a square shape and then tapering the edges to create a coffin shape. Regular shaping and maintenance are required to preserve the distinctive silhouette. 8. Squoval nails. Description: squoval nails combine the square and oval shapes, featuring straight edges with rounded corners. Characteristics: versatile, practical, and balanced. Squoval nails offer a compromise between the boldness of square nails and the softness of oval nails, making them suitable for various occasions. Maintenance: requires regular filing to maintain the squoval shape and prevent jagged edges. Ideal for individuals seeking a polished yet understated nail style. 9. Mountain peak nails. Description: mountain peak nails have a pointed tip like stiletto nails but with a flat top. Characteristics: edgy, unique, and unconventional. Mountain peak nails offer a contemporary twist on the traditional stiletto shape, adding an element of intrigue to the overall look. Application: achieved by filing the nails into a pointed shape and then flattening the tip to create a mountain peak. Regular shaping and maintenance are necessary to preserve the sharp point and flat top. 10. Edge nails. Description: edge nails have a sharp, angular tip, giving them a bold and futuristic appearance. Characteristics: fashion-forward, avant-garde, and statement-making. Edge nails exude confidence and individuality, making them ideal for those who want to push the boundaries of nail art. Application: achieved by filing the nails into a sharp point and refining the edges to create a crisp, angular shape. Regular maintenance is essential to prevent chipping and maintain the striking silhouette. Each style of nails offers a unique aesthetic, allowing individuals to express their personality and creativity through their manicures. From timeless classics to avant-garde designs, there's a nail style to suit every preference and occasion. If you like this video, please like and follow.